So the first thing we're going to go is going to go to the Start menu, and we're going to right click on Computer. When you right click on Computer, you can go to Properties. That brings up this menu here. Okay, now if you scroll down, there's this section under System. It says System Type, and it will tell you whether you've got a 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit operating system. Okay, you need to remember what type it is. It's probably 64-bit, but if it's 32-bit, you need to know. Okay, so once you've done that, close that, and then open up your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and don't worry about searching for anything. We're going to just go straight to the Python website, which is www.python.org. Okay, go there and we get the Python website, and there is options to download. Now if you just click on download for Windows, you're probably going to get the wrong version, so go to where it says Windows, or obviously if you're using Mac OS X, you can go there. If you're using other platforms like Linux, you should be able to, well, if you're using Linux, you should know how to do this anyway. So we're going to go to Windows, and then there's a whole load of different installers to download. Okay, so what you want to do is choose the one for x86-64 if you've got a 64-bit operating system, or choose the one for x86 if you've got a 32-bit operating system. Okay, my operating system on this machine was 64-bit, so I'm going to download the Windows x86-64 executable installer. Obviously, if it was 32 bits, I'd install the x86 executable installer. It's important that you get the right version for your hardware. So I'm going to download the thing now. You can see now it is downloading. Okay, it doesn't take very long on this internet connection. Once it's downloaded, click it, and that should run it. Do I want to run this file? Yes, I want to run this file, so I run the file. Okay, now I've got two options: customize installation or install now. It doesn't matter if you customize it, it doesn't matter if you just go straight to install, but one of the things that you do need to install, you need to make sure that you click on Add Python to the path. Okay, and it's important that you have install launcher for all users, because that stops bad things happening later on. Okay, I'm just going to click install now, and it should ask me if I want to install it. I'm just going to click yes. There we go. Just needs to install a couple of updates. Probably go and make yourself a cup of tea at this point, or make your parents a cup of tea. Top tip, by the way, if someone asks you to make a cup of tea, make it horrible on purpose, because then they won't ever ask you again. And once that's installed, boom, then we are good to go. Now it says here you may need to restart your computer to finish updating files. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now because I need to install Pycharm. So I'm going to just click on close there, and we're going to go to the Pycharm website. Go to JetBrains. Oh, I can't actually remember the site, so let's just search for Pycharm. Search for Pycharm. There we go. It's jetbrains.com/Pycharm. Let's just go there. You can click straight on the download Pycharm link, and you've got two options: professional or community. Obviously, we want the community download because it's free. So we click on download. Slightly larger download, this one, so it takes a little bit longer, but on the lightning fast school internet connection, this is downloading very quickly. It's taking less than a minute. Your connection might be even faster. It might be slower. Who knows? There's 10 seconds left. Not really enough time to go and make yourself another cup of tea. You probably haven't even drunk the first one that you made, if you even made it at all. There we go, it's finished downloading, so I'm just going to click on Pycharm Community there, and it's going to run the installer. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to run it? Yes, we're going to run that installer now. It's going to ask again, yes. Right, blah, 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 blah. click on next. Choose where you want to install it. The default install directory is probably the best choice, so just click on next. Create desktop shortcuts. It's up to you if you do. I would recommend clicking create associations, because then that will automatically open up any Python files in Pycharm. Okay, so click on next once you're ready and go to install, and it will start installing. It's even quicker installer than Python itself. Oh, it claims to be, and then it gets stuck near the top. There you go, we're just a couple of steps away from getting Pythoned up. Here we go, and then I'm going to finish, and the final thing that I'm going to do before I actually try and run this is I'm just going to close everything down, and then I'm going to reboot the computer. Okay, so I've just rebooted, and now I should be able to run Pycharm. So if I go to the Start menu and type in Pycharm, there it is, JetBrains Pycharm Community Edition, yada yada yada, whatever it's called. Let's click on Run That. And it'll take a little while. The first time you run it always takes a long time. You should probably select I do not have a previous version of Pycharm, or I do not want to import my settings. That will give you a nice clean install. And then it takes a little while to get everything all set up nicely. There's the privacy policy. You need to accept that. And here we go, Pycharm. Once that's loaded in, you get to set up your theme however you want to set it up. The one that I like is the Darkula theme, so I'm going to set up Darkula there, set up Darkula there as well. You can preview it by click to preview, although that doesn't really seem to do anything. Oh, there we go, there's a preview of the Darkula theme. IntelliJ, Windows is kind of boring. I go with Darkula, there we go. Okay, and then click on OK. It'll ask you to restart if you've reset the theme, so you just click on yes. Notice it's quicker to restart once you've done that. Okay, you can create a new project. It should automatically detect the version of Python that you've got installed here. So there we go. Obviously this is installed on my machine. Yours will look slightly different. It's probably just in C Python or something like that. So click on create. And it will take a little while. Again, the first time you do this takes longer because it has to index the files. It needs to get everything all nicely set up. You know how when you first log on to a machine it takes ages to set up your desktop and stuff like that, but second time you do it it's a little bit quicker. Okay, so I'm just going to close the tip of the day. I'm going to create a new file, new Python file in the project. New Python file. Let's call it hello. Okay, I'm going to click on OK. Let's test to see if that works properly. So I'm just going to do print hello world. Okay, once I've done that, I need to press Control Shift F10 as well, you know. And we can see that has run without any problems. So that's all up and running. Yours should be up and running, no problem as well. If you've got any problems, just email me. Make sure you tell me exactly what you've done, exactly what files you downloaded, and what you've tried to fix it so that I can help you get it done. Okay, that's that. Enjoy your half term, enjoy programming, program throughout the whole half term, do nothing else. Don't go outside the house, just sit inside programming, do nothing but programming. I want you coming back talking in code. Not really. I don't really want that. But you know, you should be good at code when you come back.